Let's talk about the Masquerade. So this one is the creation of Sir John Greg Parilla. So thank you so much, sir, for making this perfume enhancer. So napakarami nitong natutulungan at isa na ako sa mga natutulungan nitong perfume enhancer nyo. So Masquerade, it will helps your perfumes most likely sa mga freshest perfumes na hindi gaanong nagtatagal sa ating skin, at kahit gaano kamahal yung pagkakabili mo sa perfume mo, ayaw niya mag-project ng gusto or hindi mo siya ma-enjoy dahil napakabilis mag-fade ng amoy. This is the solution to your problems, to your fragrances. So most likely nagper-perform tong si Masquerade to those perfumes like OG and then yung mga dupes perfume. And I'm really sad to say na hindi siya nagwo-work sa mga inspired perfume. But there's a certain inspired perfume na pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Maybe sooner or later I will make a video kung saan siya po pwede at kung anong mga inspired perfume siya po pwede. So this is how to use it. Perfume enhancer, this is the proper way how to layer it, no? Just simply spray first the Masquerade. So yan, 1:1 to guys ang paggamit nito, 1:1. And then spray nyo yung perfume na gusto nyo mag-perform parang mas maganda. If you want a louder projection of your perfume, and if you want a longer longevity of your perfume, you can use this Masquerade to those perfumes na hindi nyo na-enjoy right now.